Hello everyone. Today on Shark Can Cook, we are going to make a lasagna soup. So if you like lasagna, you're really going to like this. So let's get started. You want to chop one onion, a medium size. Now to a large pot on medium heat, add some oil and your onions. Stir it around. You just want to saute them a little bit. Add some salt. And some pepper. Now that the onions have softened up, add your hamburger and your sausage. It's 1.5 pounds of hamburger and 1 pound of pork sausage. Just break it up. Flipping it over. Okay, it's pretty well cooked through. Now this is where you want to drain off your grease. So I'll be back. Now it's been drained, and what you want to do is add 1 teaspoon of garlic, and make a well in the center. And we're going to add tomato paste. About 2 tablespoons. And just let that cook a little bit. Get the flavor to come through. Okay. Now mix it up. Now add your 2 cans of stewed tomatoes. Can of tomato sauce. And stir that up. Now just let that cook for about 5 minutes. Okay. And you can chop up some of those tomatoes, break them up. Now add 3 cups of chicken stock. You might need to add more as time goes on. We'll see. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of dry basil, and a half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Reduce the heat down to low and let it cook. I just tasted it and it needs a little bit more salt. And I'll give it a little bit more pepper too. Now put the lid on and cook on low for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Give it a stir. You're going to want to give it another taste test to see how it's coming along. If you need to add more spices or salt and pepper. That's coming along good. I'm going to add some parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes. Just give it a good sprinkle. It doesn't need any more salt or pepper. The spices are right on. Okay. Let that cook for another 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make up our lasagna noodles. To a bowl, you're going to break up your lasagna noodles. Just break them up into pieces. That was eight lasagna noodles. Now what you're going to want to do is put it into a pot of boiling water that's been salted. In the meantime, we're going to make our cheese mixture. You'll need a container of ricotta cheese. That's 15-ounce container of whole milk ricotta. Half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. A cup of mozzarella cheese. Half a teaspoon of dried basil. And a half a teaspoon of dried oregano. A pinch of salt. And a pinch of pepper. And a drizzle of olive oil. Mix that all together. Okay, set that aside. Our noodles have cooked for 10 minutes. And I'm going to drain them. Now add your noodles. I cooked my noodles before I added them. Some people will add the noodles right into the sauce and cook them that way. I don't like doing that because it absorbs a lot of the sauce. So I cook my noodles first. Just give it a stir. Mix it all around. If I can get it. Mm. Oh, that's good. That is so delicious. That cheese on top really adds to it. So if you like lasagna, you're really going to like this. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you on how you thought about this video. And I'll see you at my next one. Bye.